My topic is application of cognitive psychology to the management of green building industry. My name is Huang Kang. My metric number is GS59389. For the capital one is abstract. I will focus on the green building industry to provide effective cognitive and emotion thinking. For the introduction, objective factors are the base for understanding green building issue, and understanding objective factor is key to solving emotion. Objective to make management focus on objective issue for proper analyze. To make management for accept negative emotion. To make the management fully integrate self-awareness with self-emotion. Instead of problem, the management's cognitive of green building management is not fully based on objective fact, but is based on self-subjective will. The management did not uh, for understand the negative sentiment when deal with the problem. The capital two is literature review. Have the three part emotion, cognition, and mixed. And the role of emotion in conflict management strategies of work management. Have the behavior. The behavior is an individual express. The physiology mean is related to the physical experience of emotion. Cognition need to perceptive and evaluation the emotion. The negative emotion and performance. Negative emotion can affect a person attitude and behavior more than positive emotion. And the emotion response with a group, a large driver from the overall interpersonal atmosphere. So how to deal with the negative emotion, which should include constructive management training for internal dispute. The role of emotion in conflict. So their emotion response is indirectly related to their conflict management mode. Conflict and emotion. Me is a work conflict is related to emotion. Coping with conflict, psychological conflict detachment, definition. Um, we should stop thinking about a work-related issue. Application, not participation in combat behavior, not seeking solution, and not over considering conflict. So embody cognition, determined by physical attribution. The way and step of the cognitive process are actually demanded by the physical properties of the body. The cognitive content is also provided by the body. Cognitive and the people's subjective feeling of the uh, body and the experience. Cognition is embodied. Cognition is embodied, and the body is embedded in the environment. And the green building concept and awareness. How to promote the green building concept? We should provide informants, education, and training, and the introduction of mandatory building and audit. Promote green procedure, invest the research. And this impact of institutional pressure on the green supply management and have the corrosive pressure and regulatory pressure and imitation pressure and senior management support and cognitive social capital support. And this is for the perspective of cognitive psychology about college management. Have the two part and the declaratory cognitive college. The representation of the world around us has internalized the college and the unit and the college system and the procedure college. Procedure college representation in the form of production. And this is emotion and cognition. Me is cognition determine emotion. The problem of green building leadership. So how to deal with the problem. So leader need to have skill to ask a question. An audio participation in the solution of the problem. Have the three method and ensuring the in fact efficiency of program solve system, maintain and strengthen and achievement motivation of the performance, and overcoming and impacted obstacle that affect problem solving, and provide necessary feedback and reward the recognition for member who participate in the problem solve process. For the discuss, so how to deal with the management problem, we should have a base on cognition of objective fact. And the self-awareness of the experience state has the function of self-monitoring. And the next is the basic problem. Self-cognitive experience is the key to overcoming the negative emotion. And capital 3 is a methodology. Aware is questionnaire, collect emotion questionnaire about management in the green building industry, and analyze the emotion state of management through extractive statistical analysis. So this questionnaire solves flow chart. What I will have creates the questionnaire question and the distribution and such result and statistical analyze and organization and summarize. Descriptive statistical analyze. So the analyze the overall emotion solution of the green building management. Have the 9 points in the main value, median, mood, range, and quarter, and the variance and the standard deviation, and the standard scores, and the kurtosis, and the weakness. And this is a method flow chart. I will have star, discuss, supervisor, identified research, content, objective, literature review, data collection, analyze, and the result of analyze, and conclusion. And summarize. Collect the original the data of the questionnaire survey, and then use descriptive statistical analysis method to systematically analyze the emotion and the cognitive problem of the management personnel in the green building industry, and effectively understand and emotion of green building management when it see objective problem. This is a Gantt chart. I will finish capital 1, 2, 3 questionnaire question and data collection and data analysis. Write capital 4, 5 and thesis writing, and thesis submission and problem defend use. So thank you, Professor.